In this video, I'm going to show you how to become QuickBooks certified. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what we first need to do is Google search QuickBooks certified and then click on the first link here where it says training and certification. So get into there. And then on this page here, it's going to say training and certification. So kickstart your QuickBooks journey with refresh courses from our on-demand certification program for accountants and bookkeepers. So click on the green button here, get certified now. Then from here, basically we want to go ahead and sign in. So sign in using your email or user ID or phone. Now, if you haven't, or if you've forgotten your account details, go ahead and click on forgot details. Now, once you're signed in to QuickBooks Online Accountant, you want to look at the navigation menu. So you want to click Pro Advisor and then look for training. So QuickBooks current instructions say the training is accessed through all apps, Pro Advisor training, and then basically start the training from there. So you're going to be taken to the Pro Advisor training area and look for training, then select Start Learning. Now, this is going to open the Pro Advisor Academy in a new tab. Then from there, look for the QuickBooks Online Course Certification course, and then enroll in that certification and basically start the training.